What is up mga kaibigan? So today tuturuan ko kayo kung paano mag-download ng mga mods sa ating legacy launcher. Mostly sa mga schematics, Litematica, voice chat, or any other mods. And this tutorial is for Fabric only. Okay? Kung gusto nyo mag-download and kailangan Fabric, ito ang tamang video na hinahanap nyo. First thing, dapat download yung Fabric 1.21.5 and ang iyong settings ay use separate folder for each version. Okay, save mo siya. Tapos punta tayo dito. Bukas mo yun. Ayan. So, ang gagawin natin is first, we need to go to Litematica. Search nyo lang guys. Litematica 1.21.5. Lalabas na yan. Pindutin yung Modrent, of course. Modrent. Ilalagay ko yung lalagay ko yung of course, lalagay ko yung ating link for Litematica. Ayan, 1.21.5. Ililink ko na lang, ilalagay ko na lang link down in the description, and also with Fabric 1.21.5. Okay, ito naman, kailangan natin ng Fabric API 1.21.5 para magawa natin ito. Okay, download Fabric 1.21.5. We need the latest. Ito ang pinaka-latest natin ngayon. Da-download natin siya. And we also need Malilib para ma-activate tong Litematica. Okay. Download mo siya. Lalagay ko rin ang link down below. Same also with the Fabric API. Once you download, all you have to do is go to mods. Wait, X natin siya ulit para makita nyo. Open Fabric 1.21 folder. Lalabas siya. Then, right click the File Explorer icon in the taskbar, then go to downloads, of course. So, kunwari, nandito na yung mga mods mo, Fabric API, Malilib, and the Litematica mod, or voice chat mod, or any mod. All you have to do is, from here, drag the Fabric API to there. Okay? Then, same as Litematica, Malilib, or even voice chat. Okay? Basta tama lang yung version na ginagamit mo. Kunwari dito, Fabric API 0.123.2 plus 1.21.5. Yan ang tama for Litematica and voice chat. Same as Litematica 0.22.1 and Malilib 0.24.1. Yan ang kailangan kung sa 1.21.5. Pero in the future, kailangan ng mas latest. Ganun. Then, of course, so, nandito naman na tayo. Isa talaga sa pinakakailangan if you're going to download mods is kailangan sure yung yung site talaga. Kaya mas maganda if you click the link down below. Okay. So, I will post another video on how can you use Litematica and voice chat mod. Okay, so thank you guys for watching. See you next time on the next video. Stay tuned na lang tayo. Subscribe, ito notification bell para tayo ay maging updated sa ating mga newer videos. Yun lang, salamat, and see you guys tomorrow. Tomorrow ba or later? Kahit ano. GG's, bye bye.